初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the park entrance?
Where is the park entrance?
公园入口在哪里？
Where is the park entrance?
Where is the park entrance?
Is there an entrance fee?
Is there an entrance fee?
需要门票吗？
Is there an entrance fee?
Is there an entrance fee?
What time does the park open?
What time does the park open?
公园几点开门？
What time does the park open?
What time does the park open?
What time does the park close?
What time does the park close?
公园几点关门？
What time does the park close?
What time does the park close?
Is there a map of the park?
Is there a map of the park?
有公园地图吗？
Is there a map of the park?
Is there a map of the park?
Where is the playground?
Where is the playground?
游乐场在哪里？
Where is the playground?
Where is the playground?
Where is the picnic area?
Where is the picnic area?
野餐区在哪里？
Where is the picnic area?
Where is the picnic area?
Can we sit on the grass?
Can we sit on the grass?
我们可以坐在草地上吗？
Can we sit on the grass?
Can we sit on the grass?
Is cycling allowed here?
Is cycling allowed here?
这里允许骑自行车吗？
Is cycling allowed here?
Is cycling allowed here?
Can I walk my dog here?
Can I walk my dog here?
我可以在这里遛狗吗？
Can I walk my dog here?
Can I walk my dog here?
Where is the jogging track?
Where is the jogging track?
慢跑道在哪里？
Where is the jogging track?
Where is the jogging track?
Is there a lake in the park?
Is there a lake in the park?
公园里有湖吗？
Is there a lake in the park?
Is there a lake in the park?
Can we rent a boat?
Can we rent a boat?
我们可以租船吗？
Can we rent a boat?
Can we rent a boat?
Where can I rent a bike?
Where can I rent a bike?
我在哪里可以租自行车？
Where can I rent a bike?
Where can I rent a bike?
Do you sell snacks here?
Do you sell snacks here?
这里卖零食吗？
Do you sell snacks here?
Do you sell snacks here?
Where is the drinking water?
Where is the drinking water?
饮用水在哪里？
Where is the drinking water?
Where is the drinking water?
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
洗手间在哪里？
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Are there trash bins nearby?
Are there trash bins nearby?
附近有垃圾桶吗？
Are there trash bins nearby?
Are there trash bins nearby?
Please keep the park clean.
Please keep the park clean.
请保持公园清洁。
Please keep the park clean.
Please keep the park clean.
Do not pick the flowers.
Do not pick the flowers.
请勿摘花。
Do not pick the flowers.
Do not pick the flowers.
Feeding birds is not allowed.
Feeding birds is not allowed.
禁止喂鸟。
Feeding birds is not allowed.
Feeding birds is not allowed.
Where is the flower garden?
Where's the flower garden?
花园在哪里？
Where is the flower garden?
Where's the flower garden?
Is there a fountain?
Is there a fountain?
有喷泉吗？
Is there a fountain?
Is there a fountain?
Can I take pictures here?
Can I take pictures here?
我可以在这里拍照吗？
Can I take pictures here?
Can I take pictures here?
Where is the best photo spot?
Where's the best photo spot?
最佳拍照点在哪里？
Where is the best photo spot?
Where's the best photo spot?
Is there a music performance today?
Is there a music performance today?
今天有音乐表演吗？
Is there a music performance today?
Is there a music performance today?
Are there any weekend events?
Are there any weekend events?
周末有什么活动吗？
Are there any weekend events?
Are there any weekend events?
Can we fly kites here?
Can we fly kites here?
我们可以在这里放风筝吗？
Can we fly kites here?
Can we fly kites here?
Can children play safely here?
Can children play safely here?
孩子们可以在这里安全玩耍吗？
Can children play safely here?
Can children play safely here?
Is swimming allowed in the lake?
Is swimming allowed in the lake?
湖里允许游泳吗？
Is swimming allowed in the lake?
Is swimming allowed in the lake?
Where can I rent a chair?
Where can I rent a chair?
我在哪里可以坐椅子？
Where can I rent a chair?
Where can I rent a chair?
Let's sit under that tree.
Let's sit under that tree.
我们坐在那棵树下吧。
Let's sit under that tree.
Let's sit under that tree.
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
今天天气很好。
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
The air is very fresh.
The air is very fresh.
空气很清新。
The air is very fresh.
The air is very fresh.
Look at the beautiful flowers.
Look at the beautiful flowers.
看那些美丽的花。
Look at the beautiful flowers.
Look at the beautiful flowers.
I like this peaceful place.
I like this peaceful place.
我喜欢这个宁静的地方。
I like this peaceful place.
I like this peaceful place.
Let's take a walk together.
Let's take a walk together.
我们一起散步吧。
Let's take a walk together.
Let's take a walk together.
Shall we ride bikes now?
Shall we ride bikes now?
我们现在骑自行车好吗？
Shall we ride bikes now?
Shall we ride bikes now?
I want to stay longer.
I want to stay longer.
我想多待一会儿。
I want to stay longer.
I want to stay longer.
Thank you. I enjoyed the park.
Thank you. I enjoyed the park.
谢谢你，我很享受在公园的时光。
Thank you. I enjoyed the park.
Thank you. I enjoyed the park.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。